I've been having problems with these last three videos trying to get them to upload. I uploaded them, but I can't get them to play. Check this out. When I click on this video, this is the only thing that's happened. It says video is unavailable. And over here it says loading. If anybody know how to fix this problem, please leave a comment below. I've been messing with this for about 2-3 hours and I haven't figured it out. It's just these last three videos that I try to upload and play on my channel. But these four videos, all the rest of these videos I uploaded a couple of days ago, they're fine, you know. Like if I click on this one and I play it. But these last three, they are not playing. It's just when I click on them, it just says video is unavailable. So if anybody know how to fix this, please leave me a comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.